Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an awesome update on the super agent side. So if you haven't seen super agents yet, they're amazing. They're basically, it's like an agent to build agents, which is really cool. So you basically use AI to create agents, which is amazing. And today, to make life even easier, they have come out with the super agents guided builder. And the idea here is that it will help walk you through the creation of these agents. So beyond building an agent from a description, the builder now guides you through the whole process. So before, for example, you can see down here, it's like, describe what you want your agent to do, and they'll put in some description, right? So it used to be like, you would put in this description and it would sort of like take it from there. But now what it's going to try to do is kind of walk you through some of the aspects of it. So for example, it's going to look at what you're doing. It's going to kind of show you this preview on the side. And then maybe there's some questions that make sense that are obvious that it should be asking you. And it's going to do that. So for example, here, hey, which form submission trigger should trigger the lead generator, right? And then now you can go in and just click on those things and hit next. And it's going to kind of walk you through these steps to try to help you craft this really amazing agent, kind of with a little bit of back and forth between a description and some sort of Q&A, and easy things for you to click on to actually go through and make it much better. So anyways, when you get a chance, obviously check this out. This is a great upgrade to the system. There is going to be a help article as well. Sorry, let me pause this video. But there's going to be a help article as well. Love that the team made this happen. So anyhow, on that note, I hope you're having an amazing Monday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.